it is.
You got the sun, it was like right in my eye. Yeah, you're good.
All right, good. All right, ready?
You want me to get you some?
Nah, I don't care really. It'll be good footage of you, and then, yeah, it'll be good. Maybe later, after this one. Oh, here we go. Woo! Here she comes. Get my good footing here. Trying to get a good footing on my pedal. Here we go, bud. I hope. Trying to tire slap the tree.
Almost buzzed your rear end.
Oh. Oh, here we go. Oh, I didn't know how far it dropped. I didn't know how far it dropped.
Yeah, it's safe.
Yeah. Oh, shit, I just got covered in mud. I got covered in mud.
I couldn't see that it was mud either.
I saw it, but I was like, oh, I'm too late, I'm committed.
Dude, I can't wait to see some of that footage.
Oh,